It's happened, and the new Xbox is a reality, and it's called the Xbox One. Announced today across the pond in Washington, the next-gen console promises to bring all your entertainment to one place. Here's all the news on the hardware, design, controller, Kinect, TV link-up, cloud, and more. There's an AMD chip with 8 times the power of the Xbox 360 with a portion 8GB of RAM to handle memory. There's also a flash cache, a 500GB hard drive, a Blu-ray drive that supports 4K output, gigabit Ethernet, and a game DVR that records your play constantly. Weighing around £7, the same as the original 360, but is 10% larger in size. It's a stylish box with cleverly placed vents topped with a sleek PS3S toaster slot rather than a CD tray disc. The controller is pretty similar to its predecessor, but it's noticeably flatter. It's a bit OnLive-esque. Back and start are replaced by play, pause, and what appears to be an apps button. The triggers now also have isolated rumble for contextual feedback. It's also now charged by micro USB, so bye-bye removable batteries. Kinect is now bundled with every system, and the new 1080p 60 frames per second HD camera has 60% more field of vision and can track 6 skeletons at once. You can also see fine details like fingers and facial features. Round the back, there's now not only an HDMI out, but also an HDMI in. This is for your set-top box and part of Microsoft Input One strategy. Even if your telly doesn't have bespoke Xbox content, you can still control it through your console. The always-on debate rages when Microsoft has tried to counter it with the cloud. Developers now have the option of using large external server space to outsource some of the game's grunt, meaning titles can be improved beyond the console and puts the need for speed in the hand of the game makers. You can now upload physical disc games to the cloud and log in to a friend's Xbox and play their games. If you sell a title once the new owner boots up your version, it'll be removed from your console. We'll have more on the Xbox One over the next few days, including games roundups and first impressions, so keep it locked at t3.com.